dancing on the water, but then I see you.